Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated interface and the look of our work order page. Compared to the previous version, filters are now much easier to access along with the usual options like status, trade, state, and date range. You can now also filter by priority, contractor, and location. One of the biggest improvements is the ability to save your filters. To do this, simply select your desired filter. Filter by status, filter by trade, now you can hold down Control to choose multiple options. Say for example, filter by state. Hold the Control button and then start hitting your desired states. Once everything is set, save the filter and give it a name for a quick access later. To do this, simply click this green button here and then name your filter. And then just click OK. And here you have your saved filter here. In addition to saving filters, you can now save multiple versions and easily switch between them whenever you need to review different views. You can access all your saved filters through the drop-down menu. Once you open it, you'll see the list of filters you previously saved. Each time you select a save filter, the system will immediately apply it so you can quickly confirm which filter you're viewing. There's no specific action required from you. Just take some time to explore and try out the new save filters. Thank you for watching.